Good morning from Masindi. We have woken up to a beautifully foggy morning, the kind that makes everything feel calm, magical, and a little mysterious. It's just day 2 of our safari and the adventure continues. As we leave Masindi town, we are literally driving through clouds. The mist hanging over the road feels like nature's own curtain slowly opening to reveal what the day has in store for us. Hi guys, you cannot guess where we are right now. Well, I think you can see from the back. We are at Murchison Falls National Park. Yeah. So you can see where we are and we cannot wait to explore the biggest park in Uganda. So please, come with us. You look at the male ones are so cute, they're fluffy. Now, Murchison Falls National Park is a classic savanna woodland. Tall grasslands, scattered trees, and lush green views stretching as far as the eye can see. The morning light makes everything feel alive and peaceful. You may be hearing me call Murchison Falls Kabalega Falls because that is the local name. When the white people apparently came and discovered the Nile, blah 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 blah, they called it Murchison. But us here locally, it is called Kabalega Falls. Eventually, we reach the falls where we meet up with our guide. He gives us a quick safety briefing because trust me, this place is a powerful, beautiful, and intense place. And then we begin the short walk along the trail. The sound gets louder and louder. You can actually feel the ground vibrating beneath your feet. Oh my God!
Take a bath.
And there it is, Murchison Falls. The mighty Nile squeezing through a narrow 7-meter gorge and plunging with unbelievable force. No matter how many times you visit this view always leaves you breathless. I'm being showered. I just got a cold shower. Oh my God, this is so hilarious. Hi guys. Right now you can see me, I'm still wet. I am just from Kabalega Falls and guys, it's massive, it's amazing. It's like the heavens are just showering you with this joy, with this purity, and it's therapy. It's like a rebirth. Oh my god, it feels so good. I had a good time up there at the falls. Come on, wait, you can see. But that was amazing. You better come check out Kabalega Falls, please. You have to. After soaking in the incredible power of Murchison Falls from the top, it was time for the next part of the adventure, a boat cruise along the Nile. We boarded the boat and slowly began our cruise upstream. The Nile was calm, the breeze was cool, and the views absolutely breathtaking. Along the way, we saw hippos popping in and out of the water, massive Nile crocodiles sunbathing along the banks, and so many beautiful birds. Every turn along the river reminded us just how alive the ecosystem is. And then we reached the bottom of the falls, watching the Nile squeeze violently through a narrow gorge before bursting out in full force, a reminder of just how powerful and relentless nature can be. Later that evening, we made our way to Murchison River Lodge, our home for the night. This place is quiet, peaceful, and incredibly beautiful. Sitting along the Nile, watching the water flow and the sun go down, it made me appreciate God even more. To think that we are part of His creation, crafted with so much thought and love, is truly humbling. As we wrap up today's adventure, I want to share our verse of the day, which is Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. And it says, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." This verse means so much to me because for the longest time, I kept putting off making these YouTube videos. I was scared of how people would view them, the quality, the stories, even how I speak. I feared judgment. I feared not being good enough. But the Lord reminds us that He has not given us a spirit of fear. He has given us power, love, and a sound mind. And through Christ who strengthens us, we can do all things. So I decided to face those fears head on. I edited this video, I trusted the process, and I finally posted it. Not because I'm perfect, but because God asks me to be courageous, to step out in faith, to use what He has placed in my hands. Thank you for watching. If this blessed you or encouraged you in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay courageous, stay grateful, and stay rooted in Christ.